lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit in a changing color exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen mask will drop from above your seat from the restroom ceiling. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask, extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, put the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag is not inflated. Put your mask on before helping others. In the likely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face cover before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a light vest with a water activated light in a pouch under between your seats. When direct, urge you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. We're going to adjust the cabin light so you can rest. Please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so we can zip come to the cabin. At this time, we do ask everybody to help us get ready for takeoff by bringing your chair to the upright position, putting away your tray tables, and fastening your seatbelts. Once again, we do ask everybody to remain seated. If you need anything, just press the call button. Thanks for flying with us this morning. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're here. Flight attendants, please complete the final safety checks and be seated. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Please try to keep the aisle and galley areas clear and use the restroom located in your cabin when possible. Remember that bags may move around during takeoff, so be careful when opening the overhead bins. You can now use your laptop and other large device. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase, and Mileage Plus members receive a discount. You can find more information about pricing at unitedwifi.com. We also offer a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. You can also use your video messaging app on your phone like iMessage or WhatsApp, free of charge. To activate, ensure your device is in airplane mode. Connect to the United Wi-Fi, go to unitedwifi.com, and select the free messaging option. Just make sure your phones are on silent. We'll still be coming through the aisle with a variety of complimentary snacks and beverages. We also have delicious snacks and alcoholic beverages available for purchase in our economy cabin. The menu is available in your seat back pocket where you can find drink options and other in-flight information. For your safety and convenience, we're now using contactless payment. Simply use your safe preferred form of payment in the United app to pay onboard purchases or use Mileage Plus miles. Every year, United Mileage Plus Choice Card number users charged a 25% back on in-flight purchases. It's also part of a takeoff to purchase in the takeoff app. There's more information on in-flight purchases at united.com/snacktime as well as our updated in-flight menu. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol even on board is not permitted. If there's anything else we can provide during the flight, let us know. And I'll sit back and enjoy the friendly service on today's flight. Let us know if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable. the seatbelt sign is off, you may continue to use your phones and tablets. If you're sitting extra, please don't plug your devices into outlets. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and air on your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team is more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel C10. Your feedback is really important to us, and some of you received a survey asking about your experience. As a reminder, we're on an active taxiway. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we reach the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Airlines partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us this morning. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Thank you. Flight attendants, please disarm doors for arrival crossing and by for call call.
Thank you.